Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download TeraCopy on your computer. So for downloading it, you have to open any web browser. So let me open here Chrome. Now here inside the web browser, search here for the TeraCopy. So here you can see TeraCopy for Windows is showing. Now click on it. So here is a button, download. So now click on download. So now scroll down and here you can see here are the versions of TeraCopy. So here is a version for Windows 10 and 11. So now click on this TeraCopy.exe. So here you can see downloading has been started. So it is of just 14 MBs. So now downloaded. Now double click it to launch the installer on your computer. So let's wait till the installer is launching. So here you can see the installer has been launched. Now click on install. So if any pop shows on your screen, click on yes. Now just wait till the installation is in progress. So here you can see it is executing some files and installing the TeraCopy. So the TeraCopy has been launched on my computer. So from here you can select the file which you want to transfer, and from here you can choose the location where you want to move the file or can say copy the file. So this is how you can download TeraCopy on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.
So